Bull markets spark adoption. Unfortunately, bear markets do not. There's a lot of people that look at crypto and they get in at the wrong time, right? Usually people hear about it when the markets are doing well. So and so's buddy made 20 grand in one day, getting crypto, and then people want to get in, right? That's typically how adoption works with crypto. Now, unfortunately, right now we're obviously in the middle of a bear market. Okay, bear markets, there is not much adoption that's happening. And actually, there's a chart that shows this is the case. Okay, this blue line here represents new crypto users, and the lines in the back represent the Bitcoin price. You can see every time Bitcoin has this massive run up where the price really spikes, that is where you see adoption for crypto. That is where you see a huge influx of people getting into crypto. Now, you can see here on the tail end of this, we are obviously down. Adoption is low. But I would argue that we're actually at a time where adoption actually isn't that bad compared to prior market cycles. Now, this doesn't mean that it won't get down to those levels. It very well could. But if you notice, each subsequent pump that Bitcoin has had has led to higher adoption. I don't think that this is going to be different the next time we get into the next market cycle and Bitcoin goes on to make what is likely going to be its new all-time high. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice or anything like that, but there are so many parts of the crypto space that are growing, so many parts of Web3 that are growing. There's new adoption and use case that is available every single day, and we see it everywhere. I mean, even with ClearCryptos, there's new adoption happening or a new use case happening there as well. And that's what people are starting to want. They're wanting more. And that's why businesses are starting to join blockchain as well. They're seeing crypto as a viable option and solution for some of their needs. And this is going to continue to grow as time goes on, especially as we move into further adoption with NFTs and metaverse, implementation there. There's going to be so much adoption when it comes to crypto. It's going to absolutely blow your mind. We're still sitting at a time where world adoption for crypto is only 4%. Even we can see right here, only 15% of US citizens have made a crypto transaction through mid 2022. There are so many countries right now that still don't even have access to cryptocurrency. This is going to change as the world continues to move forward. Technological advancements continue to happen, and crypto continues to get realized as a better solution for alternative methods of value storage. So that's all I really got for you guys in this one. Be patient. Crypto adoption is coming. It does take time, however. Now, as always, appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the ClearCryptos channel. Do make sure you show your support. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell. You can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.